Interesting about this church, just to give you an idea. So the steeples where we're going to go, the bell tower. Now we can't go like all the way up, but we're going to. I think he wants to see the bells, right?
Yes, the bells. Yeah.
And I hope he's not disappointed because they're sort of on an electric system. But you're going to see them, man. Trust me. Come back right there, and I'll go up this one.
Okay.
Be very careful, guys. Very careful.
Do you know where we're going, Anders?
Yeah, hey, Roger.
Yes, honey.
We can climb up here next time.
No, it is a once in a lifetime action. Once in a lifetime. Isn't it so amazing?
Yeah, we can climb up here. Very, very rare.
It's a rare.
Jealousy when he sees what all. I think he thought it was just going to be like a little quick thing.
Yeah, these are parish.
Do you ever?
I was learning.
Isn't this crazy, Grandma?
That's where you were, Rachel. That's where y'all were, right?
Yeah.
You made it, Mother?
I did.
Anders, you go next, but you turn around.
I was up here. I went all the way up this tower
Oh, you did?
with Jason Stalwart.
Oh yeah.
But there's hardly a delay. There's hardly any delay at all. But the point being, those little pipes, each one of them, they're not fixed in place. You can just pull them out, you can blow through it and hear the note.
So, you being tall, or you guys can see, if you stand right here, you can see where the little arrow is right here, the little lever. Stand on that. Short